Great design and furniture attract attention, but it would be pointless if you keep bumping into the chair or table due to the atrocious layout. For this reason, creating reasonable access is crucial. If this is your problem, you need to check out these 10 ideas on how to lay out a bedroom to the max for more storage access by Simpome.com. We believe at least one of them will help you make the most of the limited space you have. Besides, a bedroom needs a good layout to look pretty and organized, right? 10. Plan your layout for more effective organization. A layout is an application of a plan to organize things related to location in a building, such as a house, office, or bedroom. Although the room is spacious, it doesn't mean you can just put everything down there without having a clear preparation. A good layout does help in increasing the beauty of a room, as it makes it simple to be arranged, giving you easy access to the closet or storage. It makes the room look tidy and offers a comfortable feeling when you're in it. It would be better to have storage for the right things to make them look nice, just like the storage above the bed. 9. Consider relocating your furniture. Storage can be located anywhere in the bedroom as long as it doesn't ruin the room's access and aesthetic beauty. If you feel you're bothered with the furniture arrangement, there must be something you need to change. Many rearrange their layout because of dysfunction or they're just getting bored. That's something people would do in their leisure time, but some can't help with it due to how compacted the room is, and there's nothing they can do about it. 8. Max all hidden space under the bed. Luckily, there are numerous life hacks that you can follow related to bedroom storage. These tricks are to simplify your problem of accessing it. This picture sums it up very well. This clever storage is at hand and is handy. It even has wheels attached to each drawer and fits in a small room, and it doesn't consume much space. More importantly, it's hidden, and nobody would know there is storage under the bed in the first place. Put something like a rub for the wheel to reduce the noise when pulling the drawers out, and if not, maybe you should lift them up a little. 7. Experiment with new shelving transformation trick. Taking the long side of your bed and putting the shelves on the other side is a common way to deal with your lack of space. The bed doesn't have to be wide or huge to give you a good night's sleep, though. This layout produces enough space for you to come in and out of the bedroom thanks to the floating shelves. First, pay attention to the area on each side of the bed to try this idea. Place the bed in a corner where both sides are available to you, and then try to make your layout work vertically. If you plan to place your bed on one side, you can use the space on the other side to build more complex storage system and floating shelves or cabinets. That way, you won't need a bed that takes up a lot of space for itself. Once you get that job done, you can store some of your clutter on those shelves or under the floor. Don't waste precious time organizing clothes and antique collections when all you need is to keep them properly. 6. Find new use for a ladder. If you're using a table or a chair to reach the top of the closet scares you, having a ladder on it would be much safer. As it sticks there, you don't have to worry about not finding it anytime you want to use it. You can switch it from left to right when you want to open any closet on top without being afraid to fall, as it's steady on the floor. A spacious space would always give you easy access to storage, as you don't fill with all kinds of furniture. A ladder fits for closets that reach the ceiling is another good way to maximize your space. 5. Make a shelf according to your layout. A shallow bedroom may not be that comfortable for tall people because they have to be careful with their heads when moving. But as long as they find it cozy enough to sleep, that shouldn't be a big issue. Taking advantage of that layout will give you some room for a long shelf or storage. The shape in the corner is left empty so you can tuck a chair in, and it also allows your legs to stretch when you're tired. 4. Set the bed against the wall. When the space is limited, shoving a single bed against a wall is your best bet. This way you can create more space for foot traffic or other activities you do in your bedroom. You can also apply this layout to your kids' room. As kids love to play anywhere, including in their rooms, putting storage in their bedroom can solve the mess they create while playing with their toys. Simply position the racks or cupboards against the wall and leave the middle of the room empty. Reminding them to tidy up the mess after using their toys could be helpful. 3. Give extra space between the bed and the closet. Besides, tables don't complement the bed only, but they are smart storage for small things like phones and books. And they really turn a bed into a pretty beautiful design. The wooden bed in the middle of the room, as the space is big enough, unlike a small room that forces you to put the bed against the wall or in the corner. You can place the cupboard against the bed by giving some space to move around. 2. The new layout for multiple users. When you want your children to share a room, investing in 2 twin-size beds would be nice. It can help them sleep comfortably, but it also teaches them to be disciplined to themselves. A small table and a hanging shelf can make a good partition. Your kids can use them for studying or playing games. You could put it in the corner behind the desk if you want to add a rack. This way you can incorporate more storage solutions without taking up more space. Before we get to number 1, I suggest you press subscribe button if this channel is new to you. Get new updates automatically every time I upload new videos. And let's find out the last idea sitting on our top chart. And lastly, number 1, build shelves at hand. A mattress is quite versatile as it's lightweight and can be moved or flipped once you wake up. It's much simpler than a bed. When you flip it and put it aside, you can use the room for any fun activities. To adopt this idea, you need to consider the measurements and fit of your mattress. You may want to consider a mattress that's longer than the bed or your room, or consider using a platform bed instead of using carpet to layer your mattress. Last, if you want to have an organized bedroom area, a storage system is a must in a bedroom. Therefore, it requires a good plan to arrange it. Having 2 shelves or more shouldn't be an issue when you need them. Even if not, they still make excellent adornment to the bedroom. What do you think about our 10 ideas on how to lay out a bedroom to the max for more storage access? Hopefully, they can inspire you to create a more comfortable place to live. Oh, and by the way, in simphome.com, you're going to find several lists that you cannot find in the Slide House channel. For instance, 10 small galley kitchen makeovers, 12 corner cabinet organization ideas, 12 kitchen cabinet DIY makeover ideas, and many more. This kind of list is compiled with more extensive research and more rigorous writing processes. As usual, the admin completed each of these lists with a relevant video that currently, as when this script is written, is free from the domination of ads. So what are you waiting for? If you have free time and internet access, once again, follow the link inside the description area and rip all benefits that SimpHome has to offer. Last, other than the 3 list titles that I already mentioned, I am giving you 25 hand-selected titles based on unique categorization that you can enjoy and take from the website that I already endorse. Here they are. Top 20 List and Beyond category. Number 1, 333 small kitchen ideas, organization and kitchen designs. 2, 125 kitchen makeover ideas for this year and beyond. 3, 100 plus ideas on how to transform your small bedroom into a calming sanctuary. 4, 62 IKEA furniture and storage creative makeovers. 5, 33 organizing small household item ideas. 6, 20 decor projects that will upgrade your home. 7, 20 organization products and decorations for a small living room. And number 8, 20 lit small bedroom organizing ideas worth trying. That's it for now. Before you leave, like this video. If you truly enjoy it, comment it or share it with anyone close to you in your social media account or email list. Lastly, see you again later with more videos like this in the near future. And until that time, thanks for watching.